Jump statements. Jump statements in programming are used to change the flow of control by skipping, starting again or exiting certain parts of the code. We can use break and continue statements for the same. These statements are known as jump statements. Break. The break statement changes the normal flow of execution of the statement by exiting the existing loop and continuing the flow of statement after that loop. Using break statement, the control skips the lines after the break statement if present and executes the first statement outside the loop. Break statement is used to come out of a loop early when the specific condition is met. For example, if you are going through items and find what you are looking for, you can use break to exit the loop early. Let us create a project in 𝐒𝐭𝐴𝐺 that demonstrates the use of break block. Prepare the project in 𝐒𝐭𝐴𝐺 to display the numbers till 6, but as soon as it reaches 4, it exits from the loop as shown below. When you run the project, the following output displays the first iteration of the repeat loop. Now, click on the A button in the game controls to view the output of further iteration of the while loop. Notice that when the index value is 4, the loop breaks and stops executing further. Continue. The continue statement forces the next iteration of the loop to execute and skips the line of code within the loop. While executing a program, if the program control encounters a continue statement, the execution of the remaining statements inside the loop are skipped for the current iteration and the control jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. The loop's condition is checked again, and if it is true, then the control enters the loop. Otherwise, the control will be moved to the statement immediately after the loop. For example, if you want to skip certain values but continue looping, you use continue. Let us create a project in 𝐒𝐭𝐴𝐺 that demonstrates the use of continue block. Prepare the project in 𝐒𝐭𝐴𝐺 to display the numbers 0 to 9, but as soon as it reaches 3, it exits from the loop as shown below. Now click on the A button in the game controls to view the output of last iteration for the for loop. Notice that when the index value is 3, the loop skips the current iteration and displays the output of other iterations of the while loop.